everyone, Petal is Bliss here. I'm coming on today to share with you guys two blinged out decor boxes that I want to make. So let's get into the items that we'll be using to make these boxes. Okay, I got this box here from my local Dollar and More store. It's just a little box. You guys can use any square box, it's wood. And I got this box here from the Dollar Tree. And it has a little lid. Nice little square box I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be using the bling wrap. And I'll also be using my gems from Dollarama. And I'll also be using these paints. I have the gray paint here, silver, and I have white paint. I'm not sure which one I'll be using, but I'll be using one of them. And we have our handy tools, our paintbrush and our scissors, and we have our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, we're going to start with painting our box with the silver paint, yes. And we're just going to paint all the way around the boxes, all the sides. I'll be putting about 2 or 3 coats over this because the bright pattern that's on the box, 2 or 3 coats will cover it up. And for the wood box, I'm going to be using the silver metallic paint. Alright you guys, I'm going to paint all the way around, all the sides, all the corners on this box, and I'll be doing about 2 coats on the wood box. I think that should be enough, 2 coats of paint. And here's our first box all dry, and I did have to use 3 coats, you guys, to get rid of the design that was on the box, 3 coats. So now we're going to bling out this box with our bling wrap, which I've cut the length that I need, and we're just going to glue it going all the way around. Now I'm using this little spatula. I got it from a lady I was watching. I don't remember her name, but she had mentioned that she seen it from somebody else here on YouTube, and she uses a little spatula now because it helps with the glue on your hand. Yes, the glue is hot, so it's good to use something to help press it down. And yes, I do get burns, ladies. I do sometimes, but I try my best not to. Okay. And now we're just going to bling out the top part of the box. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I did glue the lid down to the box. I didn't show that part. I just added some hot glue on the inside of the lid and then pressed it down onto the box. Because I'm not going to use it to open, to store anything. I'm just using it for decorative reasons. So I just glued it down. And I'm going to go all the way around with the bling. Now we're going to do the top part of the box. I'm putting these strips, and I'll be doing the 4 corners with the strips. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you. That's me, you know I'm waving. Yeah, I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. You know I'm waving. Waving, you know I. Baby, wave, baby. I'm waving, you know I wave. And now we're adding some rhinestones to the top part of the box. And now for our wood box, you guys, I used 2 coats of paint. And now we're just gonna bling out this box with the rhinestones. Oh boy. You know I love my bling, and I wanted a bling box, so I'm just gonna bling it out. Yeah, baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. Real, recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give with me, cause I'm waiting. Okay, now we're doing the top of the box. I like using the glue gun, but the only thing I hate about the glue gun is that it's very stringy. This glue, it's very, very stringy. Like, as you can see, the streaks of the glue, the strings, but all you have to do is just clean them off when you're done. You just wipe them and they come off very easy. But that's the only thing I hate about the glue gun. Oh boy. And here's our finished look, you guys. Our blinged out decor boxes. You know I'm gonna say I love them. I just love everything that's blinged out. I think they look very nice. I'm glad I decided to go with the silver paint and the silver metallic paint also. I was gonna use the white paint, but I think the rhinestones look very nice against the silver background. I think they'll make a nice little decor piece in your home. You can place them in your office, in your dining, in your bedroom, in your living space. I think they'll just add a little bling to wherever you put them, a little bit more pizzazz from my point of view, because you know I just love bling. I like anything shiny and nice. So I think it's a nice decor piece. I like the way they turned out. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you with another blinged out home decor idea for you to use. And if you'd like to see more of the DIY ideas that I have to come up with, don't forget to press that subscribe button and also like, comment, and share. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Less. Bye-bye everyone. I'm not trying to be a hater, but tell me why you stay with him, yeah. Yeah, baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight.